Kuovonne here with a demo of the My One Record app. This app helps me quickly view linked records in their own grid view. In this space, if I want to see books for one author, such as L. Frank Baum, I click the button for him, and then I get to see another view that shows only his linked records. If I want to see the books for a different author, I just click that other author's button, and I get to see that author's books. This helps me focus on just the link records that I want without the distractions of other records or trying to hunt them down, and I get that full editable grid view there. Now, this space has authors and books for tables, but the tables could just as easily be projects and tasks, orders and line items, or any other linked relationship. Now, this app needs a few fields and a filtered view to make all of this work. So you can see here in my authors table, I have a view button that is a button that opens up the custom app, which is the My One Record app. Okay. It also has a multiple collaborators field here. I normally have it hidden because it works behind the scenes with the app and you don't actually need to see it. It does need to have the Allow Adding Multiple Collaborators option selected, even if there's only one collaborator in the base. And also, this one is totally different from any other collaborator field you might be using to assign records to people. Now, if we look in the settings for our app, we can see in the trigger table that table and the collaborator field for it is set in the trigger table settings. Now, if I look at my books table, you'll see that I have a lookup of that multiple collaborators field here. Again, I normally have it hidden because you don't actually have to see it. Okay. But this field is used in the filter. So I have a filter view that shows where my multiple collaborator field has me in it. And this is me as my the collaborator. Okay. And if you have multiple collaborators, they can each have their own filtered view that is filtered for just them. But this is who I am. And in the app settings, if you look at the view table, that's where we set the table and that view that's going to be switched to. If there are multiple collaborators, each collaborator can choose their own filtered view. Okay. So how does it work behind the scenes? Well, when you click the button, what happens is the app is going to say, tag me in this record for only that record. And then it switches the view to the one that was selected. So you can see now here, I'm just in this one here. And then the lookup fields and Airtable filtering does the rest. Now, because the app edits the value of the multiple collaborators field, the app only works for collaborators with edit permissions. So editors and creators, it does not work for read-only collaborators. Also notice that if the dashboard containing the app is not active before you click the button, you may have to click the button a second time after the app has loaded in order to change the view. Normally that's not much of a problem. I just click it and then I click it again. I don't have to go moving my mouse around to find somewhere else to click. And then finally, the free version of this app does have a delay before it sets the field value and changes the view, and it takes a premium license to remove that delay.